God. I'm surrounded by the ocean now. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. Oh, it's like something broke. Oh. Yeah, I'm a nervous wreck. Yep. Stupid me. I should have listened to my daughter and got out of here. The whole street's flooded. We got some nincompoop trying to walk through it. See that guy way down there trying to walk through the road. Oh, God help us get through this. Yeah, Deb's really scared now. I've never seen the ocean come over like this. Of course, it takes everything in its path with it out of people's yards. Oh, boy. We're still not at the high tide mark, and we got 2 hours of this to go.